Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the 12th match here in round 2. Scores are Denbigh High on 15 points, Calabar High on 29. Calabar picked up a point during the break. The answer given to who is the permanent secretary in the Ministry of Justice, Sansa Templar Bennett, is indeed correct and has been accepted. Denbigh, however, lost a point during the break. The answer given to the question, translate this Jamaican sentence to standard English, the answer given, the children looks like their father, and that is not correct English, which is what we were asking for. With that, we get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified, please, before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers. The teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. And your first question is from Bible Knowledge. Too much learning has made thee mad. Calabar.
Festus.
To which person was this statement directed? The Apostle Paul. Incorrect. Biology. What is the part of the brain controlling breathing, heart rate? Denbigh.
Medulla oblongata.
Medulla is correct. English language. Convert this sentence to the passive mood. Mr. Thomas is training the athletes. Calabar.
The athletes are being trained by Mr. Thomas.
Very good. International Affairs of Visual 1 teams. Look on the screen. Identify this person, please. Calabar.
Christine Lagarde.
President of the European Central Bank. Correct. Chemistry. Dextrins are a group of low molecular weight carbohydrates produced by the hydrolysis of what? Calabar.
Starch.
Correct. Music and audio. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer, please. Denbigh High. Correct. General knowledge. Which inventor ran naked through the streets crying, Denbigh?
Archimedes.
Eureka. Correct. Spanish. What time is son diez para las siete? Calabar.
Next one. 10:07.
10 minutes to 7. Incorrect. Geography. In which country would you find the Negev Desert? Calabar.
Israel.
That's right. Theater and cinema of Visual 1 teams. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Denbigh High. Is correct. Information technology. In Microsoft Word, which 2 keys used simultaneously as a shortcut to save a document? Denbigh High.
Control S.
Or Shift F12. Correct. History. Who is the author of this document and in which year was it written? La Carta de Jamaica.
Next one.
Simón Bolívar, 1815. Mathematics. Find the average speed in kilometers per hour for a journey of 39 kilometers that takes 45 minutes.
Next one.
Calabar.
52 kilometers per hour.
52 kilometers per hour.
Very good. Physics. A live wire is one of the 3 wires in a cable. What are the other 2? Neutral and Earth. Sport or visual. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Denbigh High. International footballer. Correct. Jamaican heritage. Which Jamaican parish can you find the Carpenter's Mountain? Calabar.
Yes.
Manchester.
Is correct. French. What specific kind of pet is le poisson rouge? Denbigh High.
No. Nice. Fish. Goldfish.
Correct. Literature. What is the name of Nelson Mandela's autobiography? Denbigh High.
Long Walk to Freedom.
Correct. Art. Which Welsh poet's work entitled Residue? Denbigh High.
Wallenstein.
Ronald Stewart Thomas. Bible knowledge. To whom was Jesus speaking when he said these words? For God so loved the world. Denbigh High.
St. John.
Nicodemus. Biology. What is the name for a substance that changes the rate of a chemical reaction? Denbigh High.
Catalyst.
That's correct. English language. Spell tarpaulin. Calabar.
TARPAULIN.
Correct. Local affairs. Who is the president of the National Parent Teachers Association? Calabar High.
Keziakar.
Dr. Lennon Richards. Chemistry. Which element forms long chains in simple polymers such as Denbigh High?
Carbon.
Correct.
Good.
Music. What note is on the second line of the treble clef? G. General knowledge, the name of which type of ceramic comes from the Italian for kawi shell and was used by Marco Polo to describe the pottery he saw in China. Calabar.
Terracotta.
Terracotta.
Incorrect. Porcelain. Spanish translate to English. And we won't have time because that bell signifies the end of the final challenge and indeed the end of the match. Scores look to be Denbigh High on 31 points, Calabar High on 35. As usual, we'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.